Welcome back guys to our channel. So in our last video or session, we modeled our jug and added the milk in it. So of course, open your last scene, which is version 6 of Wooden Barrel. So in today's video, we will be adding the materials and textures on our barrel. So let's get into it. Select your barrel, then go to the shading tab, just like this, and then add a new material. So let's change the color to brown, and then increase the metallic, not so much. Play around with the roughness and everything else also. So I'm going to increase the roughness. It's a wood, and I'm just seeing how going to affect. Okay, so after you're done playing with those settings, we are going to be adding a noise texture, and put the color to the subsurface and the FAC with the subsurface IOR. Now we're going to change from 3D to 2D, and if we scale it up, we can see we have lines. If we're going to go to another one, maybe 1D, 3D is the same one, 4D, it's like dust, and we don't want dust, so we're going to do 2D. I'm going to increase the roughness, and yeah, that looks good. So now we will be adding a color ramp. So one of them will be brown, of course. Oops, I did it in the wrong place. That looks really good. So let's just save, Control Shift S, and hit on the plus sign. We have version 7 now. Save as. Now let's go to the select your metal rings now and add a new material. This will be the easiest one. Okay, so we're just going to do it gray and increase the metallic and decrease the roughness not so much. I'll be adding a noise texture on this too, so I'm going to be doing it as the 4D. Adding a color ramp here, and like this. So I'll increase and play around with this. So I don't want a lot of it to be shown. So this is my barrel, and we have added the texture on the barrel and its rings too, and save quickly. And like this, we have finished our texturing and adding the materials on the barrel. Thank you for following along with me. I will see you in the next one. Bye.